Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved some 1 number, 2 number questions from exercise 7.1. Today I am going to solve 5 number questions of exercise 7.1. In question number 5, line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A, so that triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB and BP is equal to BQ, yeah, B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. So first of all we draw figure 5 number question. In question number 5, first of all we draw yes. In question number 5, line L is the bisector. Line L is the bisector of angle A. A is the bisector of angle A. AP PQ. Line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. We have to show that triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. L is the bisector of angle A and bisector of angle A, and B is any point. B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars. BP perpendicular BP and BQ are perpendiculars. BP perpendicular arm of angle A and PQ perpendicular arm of angle A. We have to show that triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. In triangle APB and AQB, APB and AQB angle APB is equal to angle AQB. APB is equal to angle AQB. 90 degree, because BP and BQ are perpendiculars on the arm of angle A, and angle PAB, angle PAB, angle PAB is equal to angle QAB, because L is the bisector of angle A, because L is the bisector of angle A, and AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA, common side of triangle APB and QB, common side. Therefore, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB by AAS congruence rule, by AAS congruence rule. Proved. It was to be proved that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. In triangle APB and AQB, angle APB is equal to angle AQB, because BP and BQ are perpendiculars on the arm of angle A. Angle PAB is equal to angle QAB, because L is the bisector of angle A, and AB is equal to BA, common sides of triangle APB and AQB. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by AAS congruence rule. Proved. First part of this question has been proved, and the second part I am going to prove that. Second part, BP is equal to BQ. Yeah, B is equidistant from the arm of angle A. From 1, proved. And 2 number, from 1, triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. From 1, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. Therefore BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. Reason is that corresponding parts of triangle APB and AQB, which is called by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Here we have seen that triangle APB and AQB has been congruent. Therefore, corresponding parts of triangle APB and AQB will be equal. So therefore BP is equal to BQ. Hence BP बराबर BP by CPCT proved. Because BP and BQ are corresponding side of angle PAB and QAB. Now I am going to solve 6 number questions of exercise 7.1. In figure 7.21, AC is equal to AE, AB बराबर AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, so that BC बराबर DA. First of all, we draw figure 7.21. 7.21. A, B, D, C, A, B, D, C, E. In the given figure, we have AC is equal to AE, AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, angle EAC. We have to show that BC बराबर DE, BC is equal to DE. First of all, we congruent triangle AB is equal to AE, AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD, and AB is equal to AD, and AC is equal to AE. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and ABC in triangle ADE, ABC and ADE, ABC and ADE. AD is equal to AD given AB is equal to AD, and AC is equal to AE, AC is equal to AE, also given, and angle BAD, angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Adding common angle DAC in angle BAD and EAC. Yeah, angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Adding both sides, adding angle DAC, both sides, and both sides. Yeah, if we add angle DAC in triangle BAC, in triangle BAD and EAC, we get angle BAC. We get angle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle EA, D. BAC is equal to angle EAD. To angle EAD, BAC is equal to angle EAD. Therefore, triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle ABC congruent to triangle AED. AED by SAS congruence rule. By SAS congruence rule, triangle by SAS congruence rule, and if triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. Therefore, BC is equal to. So, hence BC is equal to D. BC is equal to D. Hence BC is equal to D by CPCP. Proved. It was to be proved that BC is equal to D. Again, in triangle, in the given figure, we have AC बराबर AE, AB बराबर AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. We have to show that BC is equal to D. First of all, we congruent triangle ABC and ADE. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, AB बराबर AD, we are given AC is equal to AE given, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. अथवा एंगल BAD जोड़ एंगल DAC बराबर एंगल EAC जोड़ एंगल DAC. Adding common angle DAC in both sides, we have adding angle BAD plus angle DAC, we get angle BAC is equal to angle EAD. BAC is equal to angle EAD. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle AED is congruent by SAS congruence rule. Hence, BC is equal to D, corresponding parts of triangle ABC and AED. It was to be proved in next class. Now you can try to solve the rest question of this exercise 7.1 in next period. I will solve your problem. Thank you.